Alright, we need to talk about lemon water because if you've been on Instagram or TikTok lately, everybody is drinking lemon water. Your best friend and even my mom does. Because a lot of people is telling us that drinking lemon water is really good for our health, it's really good for our skin, it's really good for everything. So let's talk about the truth behind lemon water. Today I'm breaking down the real science behind lemon water, the benefits, the myths, and the dangers you absolutely need to know before making it part of your morning routine. So if you're ready to finally understand what lemon water actually does to your body, let's dive in. 10 real benefits of drinking lemon water. Benefit number 1, boosts hydration in the morning. Most people wake up slightly dehydrated. Lemon water encourages you to drink more, helping your body wake up, balance fluids, and improve energy. Benefit number 2, supports healthy digestion. The acidity of lemon starts stimulating stomach acid production. This can help reduce bloating, improve digestion, and make your gut work more efficiently. Benefit number 3, natural source of vitamin C. Lemons are loaded with vitamin C, which supports your immune system, brightens your skin, and helps your body produce collagen. Benefit number 4, helps skin look brighter and clear. Vitamin C and hydration reduce dullness, less puffiness, and healthier looking skin over time. Benefit number 5, can support weight management, not because lemon burns fat, but because hydration can reduce cravings, improve metabolism, and help regulate appetite. Benefit number 6, freshen breath naturally. The citric acid in lemon can help kill odor-causing bacteria in the mouth. Benefit number 7, supports liver function. Lemon water doesn't detox your liver, but staying hydrated does help your body flush out waste more effectively, supporting natural detox processes. Benefit number 8, helps prevent kidney stones. Citrate from lemon can help reduce the formation of certain types of kidney stones when combined with good hydration. Benefit number 9, provides a gentle morning energy boost. Not caffeine level energy, but enough to help you feel refreshed thanks to hydration and vitamin C. And benefit number 10, encourages healthy habits overall. Starting your morning with something healthy makes it easier to stay consistent with better choices throughout the day. So it's time to talk about dangers and warnings nobody talks about. Number 1, can erode tooth enamel. Lemon is acidic. Drinking it daily, especially without a straw, can wear down your enamel over time. Always drink with a straw and rinse your mouth with plain water. Number 2, can trigger acid reflux or heartburn. If you have digestive sensitivity, gut, gastritis, or heartburn, lemon water can make symptoms worse. Start with very small amounts or avoid completely if it irritates you. Number 3, can irritate your stomach when drunk on an empty stomach. Not everyone reacts well to acidity. First thing in the morning. If you feel nausea or burning, drink it after breakfast, not before. Number 4, can harm your teeth if you drink it too hot. Hot lemon water and acid faster enamel damage. Warm or room temperature is safer. Number 5, not a detox miracle. Lemon water doesn't burn fat, melt belly fat, or cleanse your organs. It's healthy, yes, but it's not magic. You have to eat healthy. It's very, very important. Alright, so now you know the real truth behind lemon water. It has amazing benefits, but only if you drink it the right way. And let me know in the comments if you drink lemon water in the morning, okay? And don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and share this video with someone who loves lemon water. And that's it. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.